Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for water sign Pisces, your person, current feelings and actions. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone, and this reading is from June 21st to June 30th. So let's see your person, current feelings Pisces. Okay, let's see Pisces, your person, current feelings. The Hermit, Nine of Swords and Nine of Pentacles. I think there is separation between both of you. For some, I think your person is not sleeping at night times. Nine of Swords and Nine of Pentacles. I think your person is already overcome the pain and they are now independent. So they are happy and they are not independent right now, or not. If they are not independent, at least they are showing that they are independent, because they are thinking about a lot the situation right now, your person. So I want some clarification cards here for Nine of Swords, the Queen of Wands and the Hermit, Magician, for who? Five of Cups. Yes, I think your person is also feeling very sad for the separation, but there is lot of passion between both of you. Your person till now feeling very passionate towards you. And Magician, yes, your person is right now at Magician energy. They want to manifest you again, you in their life, but here lot of sadness here. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. They have feelings for you right now. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Pisces. Success, wow, Six of Wands, fire energy. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sag. The burden, 2-6. Wow, friendliness. Two of Cups, yeah. Your person want success with you. This could be long distance relationship. And Two of Cups, yes, they have feelings for you, you have feelings for them. Definitely Two of Cups is sharing love between both of you, equal love. So they want to come towards you and offer this love to you. So their next move is they want to communicate at least, and they want to express their feelings to you because they want success with you. So let's see some cards from universe for final message, Pisces. Creativity, Empress. I already told one person in this connection stand by their power, independent. Nine of Cups, yes, you are their wish fulfillment. Laziness means here beyond illusion, yes, Judgment. Okay, last card, turning on. Four of Cups, yes, there is separation in past, but judgment is coming, reconciliation. Definitely some of you are getting reconciliation during this period. And creativity, one person is standing by their power, but they want you because you are their wish fulfillment. So they are coming for reconciliation. Pisces, are you first go there for reconciliation, you first approach your person for reconciliation. Definitely there is reconciliation. In past there is separation, but right now there is a chance for huge chance for reconciliation. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.